clean it up. There is one way you survive. Tell me where he's hiding. Where is Optimus Prime?
Never.
Civil authorities have issued a local area emergency for New York City until further notice. At 12:05 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, unknown creatures were detected in New York City. Do not sleep. We repeat, do not go to sleep. If you have relatives that are asleep, wake them up now. We repeat, wake them up now. This alert is purposely loud. If you need to fall asleep, try and do everything you can to not fall asleep. Do not give in to urges to sleep. If you sleep during this crisis, you will die. Stay awake.
Never is here.
We lost a great comrade, but gained new ones. Thank you, all of you.
Civil authorities have issued an administrative message. All clear, the unknown creatures have been cleared from New York City. It is now safe to go to sleep again.
You honor us with your bravery.
Permission to speak, sir.
Permission granted, old friend.
You speak now?
I wish to stay with the